your knees jammed against the dashboard, pushing your feet to just kiss the pedal. This is not a minor annoyance. It's a terrible compromise that can put you dangerously close to the steering wheel and airbag. For shorter drivers, a few inches can completely change the driving position. The right pedal extender can give you those inches back, but the wrong one can wobble, loosen, fit badly, or create a whole new problem under your feet. In this video, we are cutting through the junk and counting 5 pedal extenders worth considering, from number 5 all the way to our top pick. Before we get into the list, one important point. Pedal extenders are designed to bring the pedals closer to you so you can sit farther back from the steering wheel while still reaching the controls comfortably. Safety organizations recommend maintaining adequate distance from the steering wheel airbag, so your seat position matters just as much as pedal reach. Let's now get into it. Number 5. Top Fern pedal extenders. If you want a relatively affordable, adjustable pedal extender without jumping into specialized adaptive driving equipment, Top Fern is the most straightforward choice on this list. Its biggest advantage is versatility. The brake extender is designed around pedal widths of roughly 1.2 to 2.3 inches, while the accelerator side is designed for pedals around 1.7 to 3.5 inches. The system uses metal construction with an anti-slip surface, and the extension can be adjusted for a more comfortable pedal position. For a shorter driver who only needs a moderate amount of extra reach, that can be enough. The important word here is moderate. Top Fern is not the product I would choose for someone who needs a huge amount of extension or has an unusual pedal configuration. It is a universal style design, so the actual pedal dimensions and shape on your vehicle matter. Before buying, measure both the brake and accelerator pedals. Do not rely on the word universal as a magic spell that makes every car compatible. This is a component attached directly to your vehicle's controls. Once installed, sit in the driver's seat and verify that you have full pedal travel and that the accelerator and brake can operate independently without interference. For the money, though, Top Fern gives shorter drivers a practical entry point into pedal extensions. It earns the 5th position because it is useful, adjustable, and comparatively accessible, but the products ahead offer stronger specialization, customization, and convenience. Number 4. Rapid Adapt pedal extensions. Rapid Adapt is one of the most interesting products here because it attacks a major problem with traditional pedal extenders: installation. The current 9 to 12-inch adjustable set is designed to install without tools and is intended for late-model cars, trucks, and vans. Its claw-style mounting system grips a wide variety of pedal shapes, while Nord-lock washers are used to resist loosening from vibration. The extension is made from aircraft-grade aluminum and uses a unibody design rather than welded joints. And then there is the killer feature: portability. Rapid Adapt markets the system for shared vehicles and rental cars because you can install it without permanently modifying the vehicle. That makes it fundamentally different from conventional bolt-on systems. If one person in your household is 5 feet 4 inches and another is 4 feet 10 inches, permanently setting the pedals up for one driver can be annoying. A removable system makes much more sense. There is also a shorter configuration available by removing the extension bar, which the manufacturer says gives approximately 2.25 inches of extension. That gives the product a surprisingly broad range of use. That said, Rapid Adapt may come across as an expensive option for some. It is not a budget pick. Though Rapid does not have the same decades-long track record as PedalMates or Easy Rider, the combination of portability, tool-free installation, aircraft-grade aluminum construction, and substantial extension makes Rapid Adapt an excellent choice for drivers who regularly switch vehicles. Number 3. PedalMates, adjustable pedal extenders. PedalMates has been around for years, and its design is specifically aimed at bringing the pedals closer while helping the driver maintain a more comfortable seating position. The system offers adjustable extensions for the brake and clutch, with roughly 2 to 7 inches of extension, while the gas extender can provide roughly 2 to 6 inches using its offset bracket. PedalMates focuses heavily on compatibility. The gas extender is intended for suspended accelerator pedals rather than floor-hinged designs. Brake and clutch extenders require a suitable metal pedal structure underneath, so you should not assume that universal means literally every vehicle. Installation is bolt-on rather than permanent modification, but it is more involved than simply snapping something into place. That is a trade-off. You get more adjustability and a more purpose-built design, but you also need to take installation seriously. For drivers between roughly 4 feet 5 inches and 5 feet 5 inches, this is one of the most compelling options because it was designed specifically around the problem, rather than being a generic automotive accessory repurposed for short drivers. If your biggest priority is adjustability and a proven adaptive driving design, PedalMates deserves a very close look. Number 2. Easy Rider Pedal Extenders. Easy Rider moves into second place because it is exceptionally focused on the exact audience this video is for: short-statured drivers who need significant pedal reach. The company specifically markets its portable pedal extenders for drivers approximately 2 feet 6 inches to 5 feet 2 inches tall. Its current product information shows adjustable gas and brake extensions, large rubber pedal pads, and designs intended to bring the pedals toward drivers who otherwise have difficulty maintaining a comfortable seating position. That specialization matters. Easy Rider is not trying to be everything to everyone. Its core mission is solving the reach problem for drivers who are genuinely short. The company's current examples show a gas and brake setup adjustable from roughly 10 to 14 inches, depending on the application. One current Toyota Camry configuration is listed at 10 to 14 inches and uses free-floating gas pedal compatibility. That is a substantial amount of reach. And Easy Rider has a long history. Its own site says thousands of people have used its pedal extenders, and it shows examples involving drivers around 4 feet tall using vehicles such as Toyota Sienna, RAV4, and Camry models. There is also a practical advantage in the design. The large rubber pedal surfaces are intended to give the foot a stable contact area while allowing the driver to move between accelerator and brake. The manufacturer uses different configurations for different vehicles, and some products require specific measurements or installation hardware. Its current ordering pages also show that availability can vary by individual configuration. And this is where Easy Rider beats generic products. Instead of asking, "Will this universal bracket somehow fit my car?" you can approach the purchase around the actual vehicle and the driver's measurements. For someone who is genuinely short and needs a large increase in pedal reach, that specialized approach is a major advantage. So why isn't it number 1? Because the winner takes customization and build quality even further. Number 1. Ultimate Pedals Custom Pedal Extenders. For the best overall performance, I would put Ultimate Pedals at number 1. The reason is simple. Instead of asking you to adapt your vehicle to a generic extender, Ultimate Pedals builds the extender around the vehicle. The pedal extenders are custom designed for individual applications and manufactured from solid aerospace-grade billet aluminum using CNC machining. You can specify the extension length, offset, and angle, allowing the finished product to be tailored to the driver's reach and the vehicle's pedal geometry. That is a major advantage when you're dealing with something as important as the accelerator and brake. Ultimate Pedals also says its extenders can work with both suspended and floor-mounted pedals and can accommodate plastic brake or clutch pedals, depending on the application. The mounting hardware includes stainless steel screws, washers, and nylon insert lock nuts. The company has been operating since 2003 and says it has sold more than 100,000 pedals worldwide. Its manufacturing operation is based in West Palm Beach, Florida, and its products are made in the United States. That experience matters. But what really puts it ahead is the level of customization. The company currently displays custom extender applications for vehicles ranging from a Mazda CX-30 and Honda CR-V to a Jeep Wrangler, Chevrolet Silverado, Ford E450, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, BMW M3, and Honda Civic Type R. That is a pretty impressive range, and Ultimate Pedals is unusually explicit about why it believes custom construction is preferable to generic designs. Its system attaches across the pedal surface, uses a rigid design, and is through-bolted rather than relying on a simple clamp around a pedal shaft. That does not mean every driver should automatically buy it. The custom approach means more communication and more planning. You need to provide your year, make, and model, and you should confirm exactly how much extension you need before ordering. It can also cost more than a generic extender. But when performance, fit, rigidity, and vehicle-specific compatibility are the priorities, those are reasonable trade-offs. So the final ranking is clear. Top Fern is the value-oriented universal choice. Rapid Adapt is the standout for portability and shared vehicles. PedalMates brings excellent adjustability and a long adaptive driving track record. Easy Rider is the specialist for short drivers who need substantial pedal reach. And Ultimate Pedals takes the crown because its custom engineering gives you the most precise solution when pedal position, rigidity, and vehicle compatibility matter most. So before you order, measure first, confirm compatibility, and make absolutely sure the installed extender cannot interfere with full brake or accelerator travel. Pedal extenders affect a vehicle's primary controls, so installation is not the place to improvise. If this video helped you find a better driving position, hit like and subscribe.